Simplify. 7m plus 1 divided by 6 minus fraction 3m plus 2 divided by 8. Solution. We have 7m plus 1 divided by 6 minus fraction 3m plus 2 divided by 8. Now, for us to solve this problem, the first thing we need to do is to get the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of denominators. We have 6 here, we have 8. Now, what number will divide 6? You can use 2. Then 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. Now, what number will divide 3? We can also use 3 also. Then 3 divided by 3, we have what? 1. Now, 4 is not a multiple of 3, so 4 will still remain the same. Now, we need to use a number that will divide 4. We can use 2. Now, 4 divided by 2, we have what? We have 2. But 1 is not a multiple of 2, so 1 will remain here. You know, we must exhaust everything such that we have 1 at the entry here, also at the end of everything here. So in this case, we can use 2 also, so that we can clear these 2. 1 will still remain here. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. This will now form the LCM of our denominator, that is the product of those numbers. LCM will be equal to what? 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. What is 2 times 3? 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 2, 24. So the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. You can see, if you multiply 6 and 8, what will you have? 48. You can see that the product of the denominators is not the same thing as the LCM. Take note of that. Now let's solve the problem. We have 24 as the LCM. 24 divided by 6. What will you have? That is 4. So the 4 will multiply the first numerator, which is 7m plus 1. Then minus 24 divided by 8. What will you have? 3. This 3 will multiply the second numerator, which is 3m plus 2. Now, the next thing for us to do is to expand the brackets at the numerator. Expanding the bracket, we first use 4 to multiply 7m. 4 times 7m, we have what? 28m. Then that same 4 we multiply 1. 4 times 1, we have what? Plus 4. So in that case, we now use this minus 3 to multiply the bracket also here. Minus 3 times 3m. What are we going to have? That is minus 9m. This same minus 3 we multiply plus 2. Minus times plus will give us minus. Then 3 times 2 we have what? 6. Divided by what? 24. The next thing for us to do now is to collect the like terms at the numerator. Collecting like terms simply means what? Bringing those that look alike together. Now, 28m and minus 9m are like terms, so we bring them together. 28m, then minus 9m. Then 4 and minus 6 are also like terms, then we bring them together. Plus 4 minus 6. So everything divided by 24. So in this case, we now have 28m minus 9m. What are we going to have? We are going to have 19m. 19m. So now, plus 4 minus 6. We are taking away bigger number from smaller number. Normally, 6 minus 4 will give us plus 2. But now, 4 minus 6 will give us what? minus 2. So we have minus 2. So everything divided by 24. So it means that the solution to the problem, or the final answer to the problem, is what? 19m minus 2 divided by 24. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.